So, something small that has been happening. We put a hook lift of a Mercedes. We have taken everything off and now it's just a matter of lifting it up and driving the truck off. So, what could go wrong? It's all prepped, all the machines are ready, so yeah.
So what's happening here is that last time I was in a rush when I was here
we took the hook lift off, and the deal with this is that we got the lift for dirt cheap, so we bought it. The hook lift is so much more versatile than the chain lift that's on the Scania right now. So right now we are just going to cover this, and next year when we are going to rebuild the frame, we are going to fit this on the Scania. So this is just going to be here for the winter and get modified next year, but this was so cheap that we had to go for it. The chain lift, it never took off big time, so the beds for it, they are scarce and they just don't exist. And hook beds, they are everywhere. Literally like 90% of the beds have the point for the hook, so it is just makes more sense. So this is a Joab from 2004, a bit newer than the truck, 10 years newer, but it is what it is. It'll be fine for us. So I'm just going to take these couple of valves off, they aren't needed. The other one isn't connected to anything. This has everything removed. There is that hose that can be seen there. It's coming there. So it was connected to something. Not sure where. Because, well, the deal with the lift was that we just had to remove it from the Mercedes. The Mercedes was sold as a chassis only to Africa. So yeah, we took the lift from it and that's it. It's ours and will be used next year. Yeah, 32 fits. It's the best way to remove that. There. The hook lift might need some renovation. All the oil, it was more like water, so it'll be changed. And as the lock lift needs a lot of oil, we might get rid of this tank because it's so small and just use the existing hydraulic oil tank. We aren't completely sure yet how we are going to go with it. It's June 2024 and it'll be next year after all the spring work, so probably June 2025 when this is going to go on. So yeah, all this needs now is protection against the elements, couple tarps over it so that it doesn't get all the rain, snow and moisture on it, and we are golden. And next thing that we were doing now was to take the crane off of the Scania, take the bed off, and that's because the bed is going to get higher walls. They are going to be lifted by 40 centimeters, a bit over a foot for Americans, so it'll be meter 20 high walls, 4 feet. So that's it. It's bigger. 36? No. 41. Probably 36. Damn. It's 39. Shit. Shit.
Huh. I'll do it. So this is the return line from this valve. Solenoid back. All the air for it. Is it hooked up? Yes, it is. So I need to figure out those lines. They come from here, go there, there, these two here and here and here, these two, and they are connected. This, so yeah. They're going there. Yeah. I need to just remove those. Let's see how much oil is going to come out. Something, because it's out of the return line. Yeah, I should go get a bucket. Bucket, but I don't think the air should be that much. So yeah. That's nasty. Little baby, 17, maybe. Yeah, that's 17. Small extension, big ratchet, and 17. There. Nasty. One. Wait a sec. There's another amount. Okay. One. And here's number two. Right now, we can't find that. Are doing some maintenance on the crane. As you might have seen, the crane is leaking oil. It was from a filter O-ring, so those need to be replaced because they said that they got some woods, firewood. Yeah, that's out. Yeah, just need to figure out these. How have those been? The Phillips head. Okay. Now the problem with this valve plug is that there is also a nut there and it is free spinning. I don't know how to get a reach on it. Maybe break that. As said, the truck was sold as a chassis only. The seller said that if you need some parts, take them, feel free to. The truck just has to be drivable, so there's a net for securing a load. And the nice thing is this toolbox. These are expensive as hell. These are like 500 euros. So snatch that up. That was a nice one. We also got a tow hitch that is going to be sold, and well, we are going to get from that tow hitch about the same price as we paid for the hook lift, the box, the hitch, and there was also a hydraulic pump. So we bought the lift and he said take everything. So that is going to cover the price of it. So the hook lift was basically free. Like I said, one of those deals that you just have to go for it. So yeah, I guess that's a update for now.